Today we are looking at an S510 large destoner. This is made by Crippen. We have the eccentric motor fired up. See here. Pause this video here for pertinent data. Unit hums right to life, starts strong and runs strong. We cannot run both motors at once due to the power limitations of our shop, but we will fire up the fans in just a moment. Unit looks to be in good overall condition. I would say it has a small grains deck on it. Have some minor deformation here that can easily be fixed. Just unscrew that, pound it back out on a good anvil. We're going to run the fans for you now. We are running the fans for you now. See, the unit hums right to life. The fan is spinning the proper direction. Starting to have dust come off the deck, blowing some leaves off. Sometimes the frame rate of the camera makes those motors look like they're running the bad direction, the wrong direction, I should say. The motor is running the correct direction. The unit starts strong, runs strong. I don't think it would take very much to get this unit into operation. Has the large feeder above it for even distribution onto the deck. Unit looks to be in good shape overall. This unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. This is a very, very large destoner. This unit would have applications in recycling like Crumb rubber, and this unit is a 2-degree of separation density separator. Separates your light particles from your heavy particles. This unit's readily available through us here at CTI. For all other seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research equipment, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you for watching.